All right, so this is EdPuzzle. I found it really easy to get started. You can find videos over here, or you can upload your own video through Add Content. This was just one of the videos that I chose from YouTube, and you'll see down here I was able to add comments and questions throughout the video using their edit tool. So once you choose a video, you come here to edit. Some of them you can do voiceovers, but not from YouTube. I did find that that's really kind of good. But over here you can add, I added a question, a note, another note, an open-ended question, and they make it really easy. So as you're watching, like if this is something where you want to make sure that the students are paying attention, make sure that they get this main point or something, you can do it. And then as the video is playing, sorry, give me a second.
Parts of a plant.
So they have to answer it to be able to continue.
Like human beings, plants also have.
I want you to stay there. I want you to come here.
Now soil that we cannot see is called the root of a plant.
So even just something simple like here, know the words, shoot and root, and then they have to hit continue. So that they still have to go through everything.
Now we will learn about the
and
parts
then when you finish, you have the choice to assign it, to edit it, duplicate it, or delete it. It also gave me an option the first time that I saved it to give students the choice of being able to skip or not. So that was really cool. Anyway, I like this. You can embed it then. You have to use the link to embed it. And the students have to have their class and everything. So you'd have to set that up ahead of time. And that would be kind of the hardest part. Oh, here we go. Prevent skipping. And you can have closed captions on or off. And again, all the kind of information that we have already.